back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me so you can get locked in. But as you can tell from the description box, I'm gonna be doing a huge Boohoo, not even huge, it's like I got some things from Boohoo. If you have watched my other videos, you know I shop at Boohoo from time to time. I love their website because they always have deals, always have sales going on. I think I caught their 60% off sale. 60% off, like you can't beat that. So I literally got a whole bunch of stuff. It's everything I got from Boohoo. I'm not gonna lie, I opened the bag and like peeked inside because I was so excited when I found out my package was here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. Show you guys what I got because like I said, I'm really excited. I got a couple like sweaters and like long sleeve oversized type things because you know seasons is about to change. It's too hot to wear this stuff out right now, but best believe I will be wearing all this stuff in the near future. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay. So this is the first piece I am trying on. It is just like a button down. It's kind of like one of those Versace like lookalikes type shirts. I really like it. I just went ahead and like tied it at the front. It buttons all the way down. You can just, yeah. It buttons all the way down, but like, I don't really know how I feel about, you know, it being a full button down. This is what the back looks like. She cute or whatever. She looks expensive, makes me look like I have money or whatever. Cause like I said, this is like one of those like look-alike tops. You can style this however you want to, but I think it looks cute like this. Wear it with some like black pants. So now I just kind of like draped off my shoulder. So this is the next item. It is a cropped sweater with a turtleneck. I'm not really a fan of turtlenecks, but like I feel like they're essential for like the fall winter time. So like not complaining too much. But what I am complaining about is the arms. They are very, very short on me. I definitely should have got this from the tall section because I have longer arms. I guess I forgot, you know, I am 6'2". And I also got this in a medium/large, and she's definitely fitting like a small. Not sure why, like she's fitting my girls tight, arms tight. She's just a little snug, you know? But this is it, this is her. I do like the material though. Like it's a nice thick material. Nice thick knitted material. It will keep you warm in the winter time, but yeah, just not feeling it. It's a little snug for my liking and obviously too short for my arms, but it will be perfect if you like pair it with a jacket. Well, for my case anyway, I will have to pair it with a jacket just to you know, hide that the sleeves are way too short. I do like the color. The color is nice on my complexion, but that's it for this thing or whatever. This is the next item. It is just a turtleneck bodysuit with like a ribbed material. The color is like a charcoal gray type color. And like I said, the material is ribbed, looks like such. I feel like it feels really soft, giving me nice fall winter vibes. I like it. We'll be rocking this. You will be seeing this on the gram. If you do not follow me on the gram, go ahead and follow me right now at That's Painful. So yeah, I'm feeling this bodysuit. She is a yes. So this is the next item. It is just an oversized black sweater dress. And as you can tell, she's a little short on me, especially since this is like, you know, fall edition. I'm supposed to be wearing this out in the cold. It's a little short. My legs will be cold, but you know, I thought it would have been like a little thicker than this. It's kind of thin, so like I don't think it will be keeping me warm in the winter time. But I feel like it'd be cute. Probably not on me because like I said, this dress is too short. But I think a belt on this dress would be cute. But yeah, no, I just can't. I can't put a belt on this because my cheeks would show. But you know what? I'm gonna try on some like knee-high boots to compensate for this dress being so short. Maybe that was like pull this whole outfit together and like make it like 10 times better, because that's what I'm envisioning. Like some knee highs with this, I think would look cute. You know, I'm actually gonna go find my knee highs and try it on just so we can get the whole look, get the whole vibe going on. So let me go find those boots. Okay, so this is the dress now. I just added my knee highs and I feel like I like this look. Like, I can definitely get away with wearing this, of course, with like a jacket over it. Just keep you more warm in the winter or when it starts to get a little bit colder. But yeah, like this is a look. Yeah, I think it's cute. So the next thing I got from Boohoo is this lacy bodysuit. Really cute. I really like it. It's actually fully laced. I just paired it with a bra because I didn't want you guys to see my little nips. It's this is the back. That's what it looks like. All this fancy like zigzag is actually not the bodysuit is actually just kind of like low-key backless. This is my bra. Like all the zigzagness whatever going on right now is just my bra. But this is what the bodysuit looks like. She cute, very cute, very, very cute. And this skirt is also from Boohoo. It is ribbed. I wanted it a little bit longer, so I got a midi skirt. It's not a mini skirt, it's a midi. So yeah, I like it. I like that it's ribbed, like sucks me in, even though I really don't have much to be sucked in, but I still like it because it just makes me feel like I'm all there all together. Nice thick material. You can actually dress this bodysuit up or down, put like a little jacket over it. But yeah, this is it. So similar to the white midi skirt I just showed you, I got pretty much the same thing but in black. Only thing is that this skirt is not ribbed. It's kind of just like that basic cotton material. It's not as form-fitting as the white one because like I said, the white one was ribbed. So it was a little more like tighter material even though they were the same size. This one's a little bit more free. Got some twerk room, you feel me? I was looking for longer skirts. That's why I got them both in a midi style and not the mini. You know, gotta upgrade. Can't be wearing all these little mini skirts all the time. Can't show all my goods. Gotta, you know, cover them up. So that's why I got the two skirts and I love them. So the next item I got was this denim pink mini skirt and I think it's really cute. Only problem is she's a little short. Just a tad short, but you know what? She's too cute not to wear, so I will definitely be wearing her. I don't know, I really like the color. I think it's really cute. It is distressed at the bottom, which just gives it some more extra flair. I think it's pretty cute. It has pockets in the back. Hey. And you guys will never guess what I got to pair with this pink denim skirt. I'll let you guess. No need to guess, I'll show you. I got a matching pink jacket. Now, how cute is that? Like, look. Oh. Isn't she cute? Like, honestly, I love this and I am in love with this outfit. And like, oh my gosh. Like, this is honestly like too cute. Like when I wear this outfit, no one can tell me nothing. Like, oh my God, like who is that? Just an Pico, it's me. Hey. But this jacket is like a corduroy feel. It has that like woolly material on the inside. The whole jacket has it on the inside. It's also on the collar. This is by far my fave. Even though the skirt is a little too short, I'm just gonna have to make it do because, like I said, I'm going to rock this outfit. I'm gonna rock this jacket with literally everything. Like, I don't know if you know, but like pink's my favorite color, so like I have to do it. Like I have to wear this. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked everything that I got from Boohoo. I know I surely did. One thing that I didn't really like or care for was the cropped turtleneck sweater. Besides that, everything I loved, and you will be seeing me wear them. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions about anything, please ask below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.